How to make money from YouTube in 2026. Yes, you heard me well. It's very possible that you can be making serious amount of money, very good amount of money from YouTube in this year 2026 and beyond. Okay, a lot of people didn't know that there is enough money that people are making from YouTube on daily basis. And so today I want to open your eyes to the easiest way you can be making money from YouTube, just doing simple thing. Now, what do you need to do or have that you can be making this money from YouTube? Number one thing you need to have is just your phone. You don't need to have a expensive gadget before you can have a YouTube channel. That's number one. And then number two, what the requirement you must have, number two, is your data. So once you have that, then number three is your time, your effort that you must put in to achieve this success. Once these three principles are in place, then you are on your way to making serious money on daily basis from YouTube channel. Okay, now very quickly, let's look at how we can be making this money from YouTube channel in 2026 precisely. Number one is by YouTube monetization. YouTube monetization simply means when you have a YouTube channel and you are uploading and then people are watching your video, liking, sharing until you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a stipulated year, that is within a year. So if you did not meet up with this requirement, your task will be carried, whatsoever you have earned, any subscriber, any watch hour will be carried to next year. So you start again and it will be adding up. Not that they will wipe it away. No. Every of your subscriber and your watch hour that you have and you couldn't meet up within 1 year to be monetized, they will be carried away to next year for you. And so you start from there. So a moment you hit 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hours time, then you can apply for monetization. And what that means is that once or a moment you hit that, anytime you upload a video, YouTube is paying you for it. As people watch, subscribe, like, and share, these are the things that accumulate for you that will be giving you earning on YouTube. So that is one. And then how can you do that? It's very simple. What you need to do is make sure you upload good video. You must not have a good gadget or camera before you can do that. If your phone camera is bad, go and download camera app that is very good. Use it to assist yourself. Or after that you have uploaded any video, you can use CapCut to edit your video so that they can look neat and nice. If you don't know how to use CapCut to edit your video, please contact me on this description of this video. Just type in that you want me to do video on how you can use CapCut to edit video, and then I will make a video teaching you how you can use a CapCut to edit video, and then you are good to go. So that is number one. Then number two, ways you can be making money from YouTube is by affiliate. When I say affiliate, I'm not talking of promoting companies that you'll be taking product from one street to another. No, affiliate on this YouTube channel means when you upload video and under your description, you can put any link of any product you want to promote. Just put the link in your description, the description section of your video. Okay, just like this one you are watching, put your link there. Then anytime people click on that link and purchase a product, they will pay you commission for it. There are some companies that they pay per click. Okay, those one pay very, very well. So if you want me to do a video concerning that as well, please just comment on the comment section of this video, and then I will do a video concerning that. The companies that pay per click Okay, so once I see your comment, I will do a video concerning that. So with that, if you have Shots Company, what you need to do is that you create an account with Shots Company, okay? Then they will give you referral link. Once you have been given a referral link from Shots Company, the next thing for you to do is to copy that link, then come to YouTube, upload a video just like this one you are watching. Then when you want to upload this video to YouTube channel, under description, you will have a place where you can paste this your link that you have copied. A moment people watch and click on that link, they pay you for it, and you are making serious money doing that. So these are two major ways you can be making money from YouTube channel these days. So if you have not gotten any YouTube channel, or you are not taking your YouTube channel serious, please, it's high time in this 2026 to wake up and take your YouTube channel serious, okay? Because the truth is, YouTube is paying massively. People are earning mind-blowing, humongous amount of money from YouTube. And so please don't be left behind. All right, so that is how to go about it. In my next video, anything you comment here, I promise that I'm going to release another video on how to put you through of anything you ask of, and we together make this money together. Thank you so much. On this note, I'm going to drop the curtain here, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon so that any other time I drop another video, you'll be notified that I have uploaded another video, and you can go ahead and watch and take advantage of it, and you are making money for yourself. And also, please let me request that you like this video, share to others so that others can benefit from this helpful information. And also, a bonus tip for us is that on this channel these days, I've come up with something very important that is very, very easy that we can be making money from. That is AI tool that can help us make money from the comfort of our homes. You are not doing anything. AI is doing everything for you. So in my next video as well, I'm going to upload a video on how we can use AI to make money. Okay, so watch out for my next video as I put you through on how to make money from online in 2026. The Lord bless you. Until I come your way, I am your one and only brother, Sunday Anaga. God bless you.